How are you all? Hope so you all are well at your home. Today we will learn our new chapter, chapter number 5, Hide and Sleep. Here is Amina. Amina is saying, "Hi everyone." Amina and her family wanted to buy a new sofa. So Amina's father, Amina's mother went to buy a new sofa because their old sofa was not very comfortable. So Amina's uncle was a shopkeeper. He sold furniture. Table, chair, sofa, cupboard, that all things Amina's uncle is selling. So Amina and her family went to his shop. Now see, here Amina and his brother. Amina had an older brother. His name was Ali. The children like going to shop. You also like going to shop now with your mommy and papa, like Amina and his brother also like to go with his parents. Now here see, the boy is jumping, Amina is happy, and we can see grandfather also in the picture. Let's learn. Amina's mother and father went to look at the sofas because Amina and Ali are very small. They don't know how to buy sofa. So Amina and his father went to see the sofa. They left the children with their grandfather. Grandfather also went with them to see the sofa. Now, what happened? Amina's grandfather had a good idea. What did Amina's grandfather say? Okay, your mommy and papa is looking for sofa. I have one idea. Let's play one game. And the name of the game is Hide and Seek. He said, "What a fun, Grandpa," said Amina. Amina is very happy. Now, in this game, we have to close our eyes and we have to count the numbers so that other one can hide. Like that, there are so many places to hide in, said Ali. So, Grandpa closed his eyes and he counted to 50. So, Amina and Ali had to hide and Grandpa had closed his eyes. Here, Ali hid behind a cupboard. Amina hid under a table. Now Grandpa found Ali very quickly. Why Grandpa found Ali very quickly? Because Ali hid in the cupboard and Amina hid under a table. Grandpa also found Amina. Now it was Ali's turn to count. Ali closed his eyes and counted to 50. First, Grandpa closed his eyes and counted to 50. Now Ali closed his eyes and counted to 50. Now what happened? Coming, he shouted. He found Amina behind a big sofa. Amina hid herself behind a sofa. So Amina was caught. Then they both looked for Grandpa. Now Amina and Ali both want to find Grandpa. They couldn't find him anywhere. Why? That we will learn in our next slide. Their mother and father came back and looked all over the shop. Now what happened? Amina and Ali couldn't find Grandpa. So mother and father also came in the shop and they also found Grandpa here and there. But what is this? They heard a funny noise. In the shop near, they heard a funny noise. It was coming from the beds were kept. In the furniture shop, beds were also there. So they looked across the shop and looking here and there. What is this? Grandpa was asleep on one of the beds. He was sleeping cozily and snoring. So my dear student, the name of the chapter is Hide and Sleep. Amina and Ali hid and Grandpa fell asleep. So the name of the chapter is Hide and Sleep. Now in this chapter we will learn new words also. One is comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. Number 2, furniture, FURNITURE, furniture. Number 3, SOFA, sofa. Number 4, CUPBOARD, cupboard. Number 5, COSILY, cozily. Number 6, SNORING, snoring. Thank you.